Hey guys, so today I want to show you another point of view from my Home Intuition clothes drying rack. Right now we have it outside. As you can see, it's currently raining where I live, but this is last week's laundry, and as you can see, it fits all of my roommates and I laundry, and I just love it. I love that I can easily move it from inside or outside, and it's currently raining and my clothes are drying. It fits a bunch of stuff, and I just can't keep saying good things about this. I truly love it. This is like another point of view of the rack, and I just love how easy it is to put away, and it's truly amazing. So definitely check it out if you're looking for a clothing drying rack. Super affordable. Me and my roommate love it. We're currently studying abroad, so it was a must because we don't have a drying machine. So definitely check it out.